The Cyberdata SIP paging server with Bell Scheduler lets you, through a single SIP phone connection, create up to 100 multicast zones for paging through both your voice-over IP network and your legacy analog overhead paging systems. Our SIP paging server now includes a Bell Scheduler with 25 individual bells and 25 user-stored messages that can send scheduled notifications to different multicast zones and legacy analog systems throughout your school, hospital, or manufacturing facility. In a typical installation, the SIP paging server is added to your PoE switch as a single extension. You can then build your zones to include desktop phones, Cyberdata SIP paging endpoints and intercoms, and any analog amplifiers, horns, and speakers already on your system. The SIP paging server also has two RCA-style inputs for a music source and relays for controlling amplifiers. You can then use your voice-over IP phone to page, ring bells, or trigger stored audio messages to any of your 100 zones. Cyberdata voice-over IP products are compatible with all IP PBX servers that support the SIP protocol and can be managed through a secure web interface. The Cyberdata SIP paging server with Bell Scheduler gives you this extra capacity without paying for additional licenses or extensions, and lets you better coordinate multicast sessions and server load by centralizing your paging, bell scheduling, and preset announcements through a single SIP device. The Cyberdata SIP paging server features SIP RFC 3261 compatibility, secure web-based configuration and firmware uploads, a bell scheduler with up to 25 bells, 25 user-uploadable stored messages, a page to Polycom phones, voice prompting and password-controlled zones, an NTP-based internal clock, multicast output, 2 SIP endpoints including one for a night ringer, DTMF control of zone selection, delayed page support, 2 RCA-style line-in connections for background music multicasting, 2 line-out connections to support analog amplifiers, user-uploadable audio files, and a 19-inch rack mount option. The SIP paging server is also PoE 802.3AF enabled. Use the Cyberdata SIP paging server with Bell Scheduler to seamlessly expand your facility's voice-over IP and analog multicast paging needs today.